call themselves Igbo when it's election season, but once the cameras are off, once the votes are counted, they vanish back into the shadows of ambiguity. They want the Igbo votes, but not the Igbo burden. Let's talk about the politicians who remember they are Igbo only when it serves their ambition. The ones who wear the Igbo identity like a costume, not a culture, not a commitment. This video might upset some people, but I am perfectly fine with that. But the truth needs to be told. Welcome to the conversation they don't want to have.
For me, yes, I'm from Delta State, but I'm definitely an Igbo man. There's no doubt about that. I'm from Delta State in the South, but if you're looking at Igbos across the country, I'm an Igbo man. I can't be counted out, and that is a true situation.
I'm a typical unrepentant horror man. I'm not an Igbo. Listen, get it clear. I have no problem with Igbo people, and I have no problem with them. I'm associated with Igbo people. The mere fact we're all in southeastern Nigeria. The mere fact we're in northern Nigeria doesn't make you an Hausa man. Doesn't make you a Fulani man.